Introducing the Advanced Witness Series AWS-3002 Intellect Torque Tester, a remarkable production line torque testing solution designed to meet the rigorous demands of today's manufacturing facilities. This powerful and versatile torque tester combines state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for your quality control processes. With a bidirectional accuracy of 0.5% of the indicated reading, the AWS-3002 ensures precise and reliable torque measurements, giving you confidence in your testing results. Covering a wide torque range of 20 to 200 AWS-in, it accommodates various testing requirements, making it suitable for a multitude of applications. The tester offers 3 operating modes: track, peak, and first peak, providing flexibility to cater to different testing needs. The memory scroll feature allows for data storage of up to 999 readings, enabling convenient access to historical data and analysis. The intuitive user interface simplifies operation, allowing even non-technical personnel to conduct accurate torque tests efficiently. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS-3002 Intellect Torque Tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatile range, and user-friendly features make it an invaluable asset for maintaining quality standards in your production line. Invest in this reliable and efficient torque tester to ensure the utmost precision and consistency in your assembly processes.